This is an Imperial French curve ruler. It is flexible, like this, and the thickness roughly 1.2 millimeters. It is one of the most used for fashion design ruler, and we can use it for the French curve and also hip curve and the straight ruler parts for the pattern making. It reads for 24 inches for curved parts, and here it reads for 16 inches. And here we can see it is with the sandwich line printings. When we say sandwich line, it means all these numbers and printings are inside the plastic, so they will never rub off during long time usage. For all the new beginners, we highly recommend this ruler, as you can use it to do the pattern makings like a skilled designers, and we can always use this to draft, design, and create the patterns, fashion designs with any types of shapes and curves we like. Just enjoy it. Okay, hope you like it. Thank you.